Did you know that you could rate and review books that you check out of the AHS library and share with other students your thoughts about the books that you've read? What you're going to do is click on Follett Destiny Library System, and then once you get to the Follett homepage, you are going to click Log In. You're going to log in with the same username and password that you use for Schoology and your laptop. Click Submit and you'll get logged in right away. Once you are logged in, you are going to type in the title of the book that you would like to review. You're going to click Enter or hit this little search bar. When the book comes up, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click Add Review. Okay, so this allows you to rate your review on a scale of 1, which is I don't like it, to 5, which I love it. And then this right here is an opportunity for you to talk about the book and tell other students what you liked or didn't like about it so that they might recommend it or not. And then once you've typed in your review, you're going to click Submit Review. That allows you to submit the review that you have just made. If you want to edit it, you can, and if you want to just delete it and start over, which I'll probably do with this one, you can do that too. As you see, it comes up with your first name and your last initial, and it tells when you reviewed the book. Now, if you are in Ms. Sprague's class and you are going to share the review with her so she knows that you completed her assignment, you're going to click on the link to that book and then you're going to click Share. You copy this link and you can email it to your teacher or submit it however she asks you to, and that will allow Ms. Sprague to go straight to this book and to click here and look at your review and see what you said about the book. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, email Ms. Locks and Ms. Thorson at ahslibrary@k12albemarle.org.